Hi! Hey everybody, it's Marissa and welcome back to my YouTube channel and another restocking video. Today's video is going to be a restock for tomorrow's sale, which is at 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you're not watching this video when I uploaded it, turn your post notifications on. The restock is April 4th at 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. My voice box really hurts right now from filming so many voiceovers this week. So I decided not to do a voiceover this week. I did give you guys text descriptions over each video, so you will basically know what the slime is, and it'll just be more ASMR. So hopefully you guys like that and you're okay with that. There's a few promos. I'll put the thing right here. You can use code early20 for 20% off your purchase within 3 o'clock to 3:05 p.m. So that's if you're really early. And then I also have a code if you're gonna buy this weekend. So anytime this weekend, you can use the code restock for 10% off. The first order and the biggest order will be getting a free 32 ounce. The next 10 orders, so number 2 to number 11, is gonna be getting a free slime mini. So those are the promos. And yeah, set your alarms because it's gonna be a really awesome restock. There's so many good slimes and I cannot wait to show you guys them in today's video. Enjoy the video. I'm gonna leave y'all alone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, thank you so much for 202,000 burbs in the Birb fam on YouTube. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Parakeet Slimes. And yeah, that's all. Enjoy the video. that is all for that was so aggressive. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and a burb subscribe to become part of the hashtag burb fam. Again, thank you so much. Oh my god, I just died. Thank you so much for 202K. I'm really appreciative of you all. And yeah, don't forget the restock is tomorrow. Do not forget the restock is tomorrow, April 4th at 3 o'clock EST. Set your alarms, and the website is parakeetslimeshop.com. There's hair in my mouth. So yeah, go shop and everything, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Follow me on Instagram at Parakeet Slimes.